Once upon a time, on the beautiful island of Madeira, Portugal, a boy named Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985. He grew up in a modest home with his parents and siblings. His father worked as a kit man at a local football club, while his mother was a cook. They didn't have much money, but they were a close-knit family filled with love and support. From a young age, Cristiano showed an incredible passion for football. He would watch matches on television, mesmerized by the players' skills and the excitement of the game. The streets of Madeira became his playground. He played with his friends every day, using whatever he could find as a ball. He would kick it against walls, dribble around obstacles, and dream of scoring the winning goal in a big match. As he grew older, Cristiano's talent began to shine. He was fast, agile, and had a natural ability to control the ball. At just 8 years old, he joined a local team called Andorinha. His coaches quickly recognized his potential and encouraged him to continue working hard. Cristiano practiced tirelessly, honing his skills and pushing himself to be better every day. However, life was not without its challenges. His family faced many hardships, often struggling to make ends meet. There were times when they didn't have enough food to eat, but Cristiano never let this stop him. He knew that football was his way out. Every time he kicked the ball, he felt a sense of hope and determination. He dreamed of a better life for himself and his family. At 10 years old, Cristiano caught the attention of a scout from Sporting CP, a prestigious football club in Lisbon. This was a significant opportunity for him. The scout saw something special in Cristiano and wanted him to join the club's youth academy. But this meant leaving his family and moving to the mainland, far away from everything he knew. It was a tough decision. Cristiano felt scared and lonely at the thought of leaving Madeira. He would miss his family, his friends, and the familiar streets where he had played football. But deep down, he knew this was his chance to follow his dreams. So, at 12 years old, he made the brave choice to move to Lisbon. He lived with a host family and started training at Sporting CP. The academy was intense. The competition was fierce, and the training sessions were demanding. Cristiano had to adapt quickly to a new environment and a higher level of play. In Lisbon, he faced many challenges. He felt homesick and missed his family dearly. Sometimes doubts crept into his mind. Am I good enough? He would wonder. But every time he felt down, he reminded himself of his dreams. He pushed through the tough times, training harder than ever. Cristiano practiced every day, running, dribbling, and shooting. He wanted to be the best. As the years went by, he improved tremendously. He became one of the top players in the academy. At 17 years old, he got the chance to play for the Sporting CP first team. It was a dream come true. He played in front of fans, showcasing his skills and thrilling the crowd. His speed and talent amazed everyone. Soon, big clubs started to notice him. One of them was Manchester United, a famous club in England. In 2003, when Cristiano was just 18, he signed with Manchester United. This was a huge step in his career, and he was both excited and nervous. The Premier League was known for being very competitive, and he knew he had to work harder than ever. At Manchester United, Cristiano had to adapt to a new style of play. The players were strong, and the games were intense. In the beginning, he struggled a bit. Some people doubted him, saying he was not strong enough for the Premier League. But Cristiano didn't let this stop him. He trained hard every day, learning from his teammates and coaches. He was determined to prove himself. Sir Alex Ferguson, the legendary manager of Manchester United, saw Cristiano's potential. He believed in him and pushed him to be better. Cristiano worked hard, and slowly but surely, he began to shine. He scored his first goal for Manchester United in 2005, and from there, his confidence grew. Each goal he scored fueled his determination to succeed. Cristiano became a fan favorite. He dazzled the crowd with his speed, skill, and amazing goals. He helped Manchester United win many trophies, including the Premier League and the Champions League. In 2008, he won the Ballon d'Or, an award given to the best player in the world. Cristiano was on top of the world, and his dreams were coming true. But with success came new challenges. The pressure to perform was immense. Every match, he felt the weight of expectations on his shoulders. Some fans adored him, while others criticized him. There were moments when he doubted himself and wondered if he could keep up the pace. But instead of giving in to those doubts, he used them as fuel. He trained harder, pushed himself to the limit, and focused on improving every day.